The first thing to understand is that when we talk about HTML, we're talking about documents. More specifically, text documents. That's why we're using Visual Studio Code, which is a text editor, and not something like Microsoft Word, which is a word processor. An HTML document is just a text document. So let's introduce the text document we'll be working on together for the rest of this course. I've opened a folder in Visual Studio Code. I've done that by going to File and Open Folder. So I encourage you to do that for the rest of this course. Make a folder for your files, open it in Visual Studio Code, and that's where we'll work. Now I'm going to make a new file. I'll right-click, New File, and we'll start with just a text document, resume.txt. I've increased the font size quite a bit by going to File, Preferences, and Settings, and that's just so that you can see the content more easily here in the video. I've already prepared ahead of time the text document we'll work on, so I'll just drop it in here and let's take a look. It's my resume. There's my header, my name with some contact information, a little blurb from me, a list of the services I offer, my skills, my work history. A lot of this is fake. And then I've got a spot for a portfolio. Maybe I'm thinking some pictures of some of my work, some testimonials from students. And if someone really wants to, they can snail mail me directly to an address. This is a document, a text document. It's my resume, and it means something to me. And if you read it, you could probably figure out what I'm talking about. This is where we'll begin. There's no HTML in this text document yet, but it's a starting point. So I encourage you to also create your starting point. You can use mine or update it to match your own, and we'll use this as a project throughout the entire rest of this course. All right, so here we have our document, and we're ready to move on.